what's up, and welcome back to my channel. How is everyone doing? I hope we're all good. I hope we're all safe. So guys, today's video, as you have read from the title, I am going to be attempting to use flexi rods on my 4C natural hair. Now guys, my hair is tough. Well, it's kind of like strong and all that, but yeah. So anyways, I've seen so many tutorials on YouTube where they use flexi rods and it's like so nice and curly and whatnot, so I wanted to try an experiment. So anyways, yeah, let's just jump right in. So what is inside this spray bottle is water mixed with a little leave-in conditioner. So I'm just spraying it on my hair because my hair was really dry. So now I'm going to go in with this Hawaiian silk miracle worker. So it's kind of like a conditioner too, because the leave-in conditioner in the spray bottle is not like, it doesn't really like soften my hair so much, so that's why I'm using this Hawaiian silk to soften my hair. Like, guys, can you see my hair is growing? I'm so happy. I have another tutorial that is coming up, or I have another, yeah, it's kind of like a tutorial that is coming up pretty soon. I've been experimenting on my hair, so I can't wait to like check out or show you guys the results, you know, and all that. But anyways, yeah, so now guys, once I am done conditioning my hair, and we're just going to like go into this whole Bendi roller process. So I'm just going to go into this curl booster. I really like the smell of this thing, and it really like makes my hair feel, I don't know. So anyways, yeah, I'm just adding a dime size or a pea size of that to the hair strand. So now I'm going in with my olive oil setting lotion. So I'm just going to spray that on the strand of hair. Then, you know, with natural hair, you always have to like go in. You have to like go in once in a while with like a comb and everything. So yeah, brushing out all the tangles and all that. So now once I'm done with that, I'm just going to go into my bendy roller and just bend the hair, and yeah, then just like bend all the excesses so it doesn't unravel on me, it doesn't unravel or lose. So guys, that is one down, so I'm just going to do another one, two, for you guys to see. Okay guys, so I am going to I'm done bending my entire hair. Guys, I hope this works, because this is the first time I'm ever like doing bendy rollers on my natural hair. So I'm hoping that by the time my entire hair dries, like the curls would look nice. So guys, wish me luck. But anyways, I'm going to leave this. I'm going to just basically air dry this hair, and I will come back tomorrow and show you guys the results of this flexi rod or bendy roller. So guys, I will see you tomorrow. So I am back. I have been rocking these what you call them, flexi rods for almost 3 days, guys. Nepper and whatnot, but taking it out. Like some of them actually like got a little curl. Ugh, guys, this is an epic fail. This is an epic fail. Okay guys, so it actually isn't so bad. Like some of the hair or some of my hair retained some curls, so yeah, it's actually not so bad. Like, see this guy, this is not bad. So let me just put some like pins and like find a way to like make this hair work, because it ain't working, but let's make this hair work. Guys, this honestly, this was an epic fail. Like, I tried my best to, I don't know, style it, I don't know, but this was an epic fail. Like, my hair didn't even catch so much curls. Like, I think maybe there's a product that I didn't, or I should have used, that I didn't use. I really don't know, but yeah, I will definitely try this hairstyle again, or like trying to curl my hair with bendy rollers. I don't know, when I probably find the right hair product I'm supposed to use, then I will try it again. But for now, I think I'm just gonna put this hairstyle on the back burner, because it did not work. Like, guys, can you see? It did not work. Okay guys, so this is my tutorial on trying to curl my hair with flexi rods. And yeah, if you've tried this before, please do let me know if yours was successful in the comment section. Just comment down below and let me know if yours was successful, if you actually got like popping curls, because all the ones I've seen on YouTube, like, their curls were popping. I don't know why mine did not pop. But anyways, if you tried this before and you got like really nice curls, please let me know what you used in the comment section. You know, tell me what you used and how you were able to get your curls looking flicky, because mine ain't looking flicky, mine looking flicky flacker. So let me know in the comment section what you used and what I should do differently. But yeah, if you're a new subscriber, please, or if you're new to this channel, please do subscribe and click the bell button so you can always get notifications on whenever I post up a new video. Until my next video, guys, stay blessed and stay beautiful. Bye.